everyone, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you a recipe that I'm so excited about. It's one of my favorite snacks and it's so delicious. Samosas. I mean, who doesn't love a good samosa? Samosas are a very popular snack all around the world. So stay tuned to learn some fun samosa facts with me and to see the end result. So let's have a look at the ingredients. First, I will be making potato samosa. Here I've got 4 large potatoes boiled and mashed, some spring onion, and I will show you the spices that I'll be using later, a sweet corn and cheese samosa. This is some Gouda cheese and some frozen sweet corn, and a chicken curried samosa. So here I've got 2 chicken breasts cut into very small cubes, and of course the samosa pastry, and this is a flour paste. All I mixed in here was some flour and water, and as you can see, it's very thick. So let's get started. Step 1. Prepare your samosa fillings. I will be starting with the curried chicken filling. In a large pan, add a little oil and allow this to heat. Then add in your cut chicken breast and cook this for a few seconds. Now it's time to add in the spice. Add some salt for taste, a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of Garam Masala, a 1/2 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 1/4 teaspoons of chilli powder, and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Then mix until fully combined and add in a little water. Now allow this to cook for about 10 minutes on a medium heat. Now for the potato filling. In a pot, add a little oil and allow this to heat. Then add in some spring onions with some black mustard seeds. Cook this for a few seconds and add in 1 cut garlic clove. Cook for another few seconds and then add your spice. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of Garam Masala, and a 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder. Mix well and allow to saute for 1 minute. Now add in your mashed potato. Both vegetarians and meat eaters can enjoy this delicious samosa snack. A little turmeric powder, some salt to taste, and some black pepper. Now mix until fully combined and allow to saute for another 3 minutes. Now don't forget to check your chicken. Add in a very little fresh cream to give this a good sauce and to allow it to thicken a little. Give this a good stir and allow this to simmer for 10 minutes. Now let's move on to the sweet corn. In a small pot, add about a tablespoon of butter and allow this to melt. Then add in your frozen sweet corn. On a medium to low heat, allow this to cook for about 5 to 10 minutes. Don't forget to add in some salt and black pepper. Now let's finish off with the curried chicken filling. Check your pot, give it a good stir and add in some spring onion. Then with your stove off, leave this to cool for about 10 to 15 minutes. Step 2. Fold your samosa pastry in a triangle like I'm doing here. Then add in some of the filling. Fold this over one more time. Then add some of the flour paste. This will allow it to stick together. Add it all around and stick together, forming a triangle. Did you know that the shape of a samosa resembles the pyramids? The word samosa was originally named after the pyramids in the Middle East. Step 3, the most exciting part. It's almost ready. In a pot, add some oil just enough to cover your samosas. Allow this to heat and fry your samosas for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side until crisp and golden brown. Many people believe that samosas are from India, but in fact it originated in the Middle East, then moved to India. All done, and that was so much fun. Here are the delicious samosas. Let's give it a try. So good. This is the curried chicken one. And did you hear that crunch too? Definitely worth a try. It's so delicious. Well, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and that you will try these delicious samosas. Oh, and remember to subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes with me. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Goodbye.